Sanbonani guys, welcome back to yet another video, and we are speaking about the latest episode of Homecoming. So guys, this episode starts off with uMaNkwanyane uSifiso's wife ekuseni uhlezi ngasekhishini. She is playing udlalisa ingane. So she's like, sawubona wena khehlela kamanje naleli, the baby there uyasabela guys, he's playing there. She's like, sawubona mfana wami, sawubona sithandwa sami. Next thing we see uSifiso, he comes out and he just stands there by the door and he looks at uMaNkwanyane playing with the child. So uMaNkwanyane looks up and she sees uSifiso. uSifiso is just standing there, uthule, he's not saying anything. So uMaNkwanyane then says, uphinde wabanelinye futhi angithi? uSifiso just looks down. uMaNkwanyane goes on to say, ngiyabazi lobo buso bakho, mawusowuthule kanje ngiyazi nje. uSifiso then says, ngiphinde ngafikelwa uma ephupheni. uMaNkwanyane then says, ngiyazi noba ngingakubuza ukuthi ebethini ngeke ungitshene, awukaze nje ungitshene vele, belingami yini noma belingompendulo. uSifiso just keeps quiet. The wife then says, baba, like to say ngikhuluma nawe. uSifiso then says, mama, ngiyacela uyabona manje bekumele ukuthi uyazi ukuthi there's a lot that I can't discuss with you. uMaNkwanyane then says, angeke ukwazi noma awuthandi, dinga unkosikazi wakho. uSifiso then says, njengonkosikazi wami mele uyazi umanje ukuthi kuningi that I can't talk to you about because ngeke uqonde qala ukufake lokho enhlizweni yakho. And then the scene just ends like that. Next scene girl, we see uDr. Mkhize. He is at uMatron's house. He is talking to her guys from the top of his lungs. Ukwatile. He then says kuMatron, 6 months yonke ngimisiwe emsebenzini ngingaholi mina. uMatron's like, kwenze njani? Angazi mina. uMkhize then says, bayazi ukuthi bengiseThekwini ngalola suku that woman gave birth. uChairman unabo bonke ubufakazi. Shuthi guys, they called him and they suspended him. uMatron then says, Mkhize, angazi bandla ukuthi ukhuluma ngani. uDr. Mkhize then says, lalela la, if this turns into a full inquiry, I swear on my ancestors, ngiyongena nawe mina. uMatron then says, oh, uyangisabisa Mkhize, uyangisabisa. Lalela ngikutshele ke, I'm not the one who sent you uyodawa laphana eThekwini instead of being laphana ewodini. uMkhize then says, sengishilo. And then uMatron's like, hey wena. That time he's walking away from her. She's like, ungalinge ungisanganele mina iyangizwa. And the scene just ends like that. Guys, this man looks like he is serious ukuthi he will go down nolokhuzana noMatron. uMatron abangu uzingenisa endabeni la engangeni khona. Like imagine, now she might be suspended if they do the investigation for something that is so silly. Next scene girl, we see uSifiso there uqeda kuhlola umuntu, a customer, and then he comes out endumbeni yakhe to find his wife uMaNkwanyane ngaphandle. She is peeling ukoba of veg. She's peeling vegetables outside. So uSifiso then says, uMaNkwanyane then says, yebo baba. uSifiso then says, ungenza njani if ungafika abantu bakini abadala abangasekho bezokulethela umyalezo, kodwa lowo myalezo lowo kungaguquka yonke into empilweni yakho. uMaNkwanyane then says, ngabalalela mina baba, I would do whatever they asked me to do. Awuboni wena kanjalo. You can see which uSifiso guys, he is deep in thoughts, and then he's like, okay, and then Amshie, he leaves uMaNkwanyane nje kanjalo. Guys, I really hope ukuthi whatever he's saying, ukuthi it's not indaba yokuthatha usithembu uZethu, because the way he's in love with uZethu, knowing very well ukuthi he has a wife. Anyway, next scene guys, we see uZethu. She is sitting in the car no Shobane. They are having a conversation. So Shobane then says, ngiyaxolisa, I'm sorry I wasn't there when you needed me the most. uZethu then says, Shobane, ngiyabonga ukuthi ufikile. Ngempela, uyazi ukuthini? Izinto zehlukile manje Shobane. uShobane then says, but mina I still feel a spark sithandwa sami. Lisekhona ithemba ukuthi singabuyela to being the lovers that we were before. Dali, kuseyimina, umfo wakwamnisi, owakhetha ilanga libalele. That hasn't changed a bit. uZethu then says, ngicabanga ukuthi yona inkinga yethu leyo Shobane. Mina sengigugukile. Shobane, lalela. She holds his hand. ngiyazi ukuthi ungifunela okuhle kuphela. Ngidinga ispace sokuthi ngiyithole and to find lokho okufuna inhliziyo yami. uShobane then says, "Dali, empelweni." He reaches or he goes forward to try and kiss uZethu. uZethu pulls away. uZethu then says, "Shobane, ngicela uqhubeke Shobane. Uphila impilo yakho. Kodwa ngaphandle kwami." uShobane, you can see his eyes are getting watery, guys. Even uZethu's eyes are getting watery. And then uZethu's phone rings. She then says, "Chairman, mele ngiyibambe, Ncese." And then she's like, "Chairman, sawubona." And then the scene just ends like that. Then, guys, next scene, phela, uChairman comes and see uZethu at her home. He comes and tell her ukuthi they did a few nyana investigations esibhedlela, and they noticed ukuthi the information that uZethu submitted versus the investigation that they did, it's aligning. So they have suspended Dr. Mkhize, and they are revoking the suspension kaZethu. Not only that, guys, they have found a placement for uZethu, meaning that uZethu uzosebenza okambeni clinic, guys. They are giving her a 3 months probation, meaning that uzosebenza 3 months. Imagine, guys, that is the same clinic kaMatron. As that is happening, uMatron le e clinic, she is busy making a noise, shouting at his staff amanesake. As she is doing that, she gets a phone call. She gets a phone call from the department telling her ukuthi there's a doctor who's going to come there. We found a doctor, and she's like, "Hey, but who's that doctor?" Then they say, "Would you know, don't worry, later on we're going to Chairman uzofika laphayana ekliniki with the doctor and whatnot." uMatron just hangs up the phone, guys, indlela rude ngakhona. She calls ama-nurse. She's like, "Hey, Nina, khona enigzwile ukuthi who's this doctor who's apparently going to come and work lana la yikliniki yami? Angifuni dokotela because abadokotela they think ukuthi bayazi. We don't need a doctor. Sirayithi lana." Guys, kanti later on, uChairman comes with uZethu. uChairman then says, "Ngiyathemba ukuthi you received a phone call ukuthi there's going to be a doctor that's going to be working here." uMatron then says, "Oh, okay, we will wait for the young man." uChairman then says ukuthi, "Ayibo, what young man? Nangu umuntu ozosebenza lana uZethu, guys." uMatron is so angry. The chairperson then says, "No, Matron, like, calm down. Ngiyathemba ukuthi you guys are going to work well." uZethu then says, "Matron, I know ukuthi vele mina nawe we did not get along in the past, but I think we're going to work very well." uChairman then says, "Uyabona-ke, uDr. Zethu, she's very professional. Then ngicela ukuthi singene officeini lakho Matron so that we can discuss things further." Okay, moments later we see the same Matron ungena endlini yakhe. She is so irritated, guys. Athathe leyo file that she came back with from work, she throws it etafuleni. As she's doing that, uShobane uphume ekamereni lakhe with his suitcases. Taba, guys, for real this time, he is leaving, going back eGoli. So when uMatron sees uShobane, she then says, "Cela ungitshele ukuthi awazanga ngalento. Ngitshele ukuthi wena awuzange usize leya ntombazana ngamaqhinga ukuthi ibuyele eklinikini lami. Ngitshele ukuthi awazi lutho Shobane." uShobane then says, "Hlezi ungitshela ukuthi angiphume endabeni zala esigodini. Ngiphumile ke manje. You landed yourself in this mess. Angihlangene ngalokho mina." uMatron then says, "Yazi ukuthini? Awukwazi ukuma nje lapho ungijaje. Ume nje ungijaje when you should be protecting me. Yimina unyoko man." uShobane then says, "Kunjalo ma. Ungumama kumina. Kodwa I'm tired of cleaning up after you. Ngikhathele amanga, ngikhathele yimfihlo, ngikhathele of watching you bully everyone la esigodini into doing what you want. Lento oyenze kuZethu ibingamfanele ma." uMatron then says, "Iyona le ntombazana yakho eqambe amanga man." uShobane then says, "Sekwanele ma. Ngenxa yalento oyenzile, it cost me isithandwa sami, someone that I love." uMatron then says, "Yazi ukuthini? Everything I did was to protect the health system phela." uShobane then says, "Uzivikela wena ma, ne-ego yakho, not the department. Abantu bebengikhuza ngawe, bengicebisa, bengibonisa, ngingafuni ubalalela ngoba ngiyakuthanda, ungumama kumina." Kapha sengiqedile with all of this manje. And then he walks out, leaving his mother nje kanjalo. Last scene, guys, we see Dr. Zethu. She is walking back home, guys. Ujabule, you can see ukuthi ne walk yakhe that she is happy. So she's meeting up with people there, basendaweni, greeting them. So as she's about to enter the gate yakibo, she sees Ivan kaSifiso. So she stops because she knows ukuthi uSifiso is coming to her house. So uSifiso stops his van and he's like, sawubona wemhlengi wezimpilo zabantu. Ahle kuZethu. She's like, sawubona wephoyisa. uSifiso gets out the car and is like, uyaphila kodwa. uZethu then says, hey, ngijabule kabi, ngijabule ibhadi nje. uSifiso then says, yini, kwenze njani? uZethu then says, kwenzekile Sifiso. I-suspension yami isusiwe. Ukhuluma nodokotela omusha sha wasekhwambeni clinic. uSifiso then says, how? Bajove ke abantu, and then they laugh and he's like, how siyabonga? Siyabongela Zethu. uZethu then says, kubonga mina kahle kahle. This wouldn't be possible without you. Uphume endleleni yakho, wangilekelela, wangipha ngisho nje isibindi when I had nothing or when I had none. Uvela waba ukhanya ebumnyameni, ngiyabonga. Awusindisanga umsebenzi wami kuphela, usindise nempilo yami. You can see ukuthi uSifiso is looking deep in uZethu's eyes, and then he comes closer to her. uZethu then says, Sifiso, and then she's the one who leans in and kisses him. Guys, that time they kissing emgaqweni, uthwele abantu, not uthwele abantu, but people are walking. I mean, obviously people, if they witness this, they're gonna go tell the wife, like you. Guys, I was so irritated. And then uZethu pulls away. She's like, ngiyaxolisa Sifiso. Akumelanga siya, ushadile wena and mina. uSifiso then says, lalela Mangwane. Wena ukhethiwe. Bangithumile ukuthi ngikulande Mangwane. Ukhethiwe emagcekeni wakokhubeka. Ukuthi wandise isibongo sakithi njengonkosikazi wami wesibili. And then the scene just ends like that. Guys, hey, I was so irritated. Other people were happy by the fact that they kissed. I was irritated because I'm like, this man is married. I have a feeling ukuthi uZethu, at first she's gonna fight against this, but eventually it looks like she's gonna give in. Angazi, guys. Anyway, let's park it right there because that's where the episode ends. You tell me your thoughts on this. Please do make sure you like the video. Please do subscribe. It is absolutely for free of charge, and I'll see you guys on the next one.